The U.S. economy picked up speed over the 3 months to September as consumer spending jumped and exports increased. The world's largest economy expanded at an annual rate of 4.3%, up from 3.8% in the previous quarter. That was better than expected and marked the strongest growth in 2 years. The report, which had been delayed by the U.S. government shutdown, sheds a light on an economy that has been buffeted by dramatic changes to trade and immigration policies, as well as persistent inflation and cuts to government spending. But while that has led to sharp swings in some areas, such as imports and exports, the underlying economy has maintained solid momentum, outperforming many forecasts. This is an economy that has defied doom and gloom expectations basically since the beginning of 2022, said Aditya Bhavat, senior economist at Bank of America. Speaking to the BBC's Business Today program, Mr. Bhavat described the economy as very, very resilient. "I don't see why that wouldn't continue going forward," he added. The overall growth figure for the third quarter of the year was much stronger than expected, with most analysts expecting an annual pace of about 3.2%. It was lifted by consumer spending that rose at an annual rate of 3.5%, compared with 2.5% in the previous quarter, despite a slowing job market, as households spent more on health care services. Imports, which count against growth, continued to decline, reflecting the wave of taxes on shipments entering the U.S. that President Donald Trump announced this spring. Meanwhile, exports, which had dropped sharply, bounced back, surging by 7.4%. Government spending also rebounded, driven by defense outlays. Those gains helped to overcome a slowdown in business investment, including in intellectual property, and a housing market struggling under the weight of still high interest rates, which have heightened affordability issues and supply constraints.